This was my mom's first day at work, and everything went wrong.
This outfit seems perfect for today.
You look great, honey. Come eat breakfast.
Thank you, my love. Tom and Anna. Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. Wow, you look like a boss. I am so happy for you, Mom.
Thank you, Anna. Wow, breakfast today was amazing.
Are you nervous about the new job?
A little bit, but I am ready. I want to do a good job.
You are very smart, Mom. You will do great.
Oh, look at the time. I need to go now. Today is my first day at work, and my mother needs to prepare a few things.
See you all at dinner. Bye.
Okay, kids, now let's go to school, and tonight Dad will make lots of delicious food.
That's wonderful, Dad.
Actually, I feel a little worried. I hope everything will be all right. Wow, the building is so big. I can do this. Oh no! Where is it?
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have your ID card?
I am sorry. I forgot my ID card at home.
Please go to the reception desk. They can help you.
This is your temporary card.
Oh, I almost missed it. Thank you.
Today is my first day at work, and I have to make a good impression.
I have to hurry. The boss needs this document soon.
Oh no, the coffee has soaked all the documents I just finished preparing. The papers are wet. This is so bad.
What happened here?
Mr. Smith, I am so sorry. I spilled my coffee.
Please be careful. Those documents are important. Clean this up now.
Yes, sir. It will not happen again. What a terrible morning. I made the boss angry. I miss my family. I feel a little lonely because I haven't made any friends yet.
Hi, we're colleagues in the same office. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hi, I'm Sarah.
Excuse me. I need the blue folder right now.
Yes, Mr. Smith. 1 second, please. Where is it? It was here this morning.
Do you have it or not?
We have a client waiting.
I can't find it. I am sorry.
Oh no, she lost the important folder.
This is unacceptable. Everyone, please help look for the blue folder.
Where is the signed contract? I left it right here. It's not on my desk. Did anyone see it? Check the cabinet, hurry.
I ruined everything. They think I am careless.
It is not in the printer room.
Not here. Where else could it be?
We only have 5 minutes left.
Where is the merger contract?
I can't find the file anywhere. Did you check the cabinet?
It's not here, I swear.
Think. Where did I put it?
It's in the mailroom. I put it in a cardboard box this morning, but it's probably on its way there.
Look! The blue folder. It is right here. It was under the box.
This is the document the boss needs.
Ah, excellent. Thank you.
I apologize for the carelessness in organizing the documents. I will be more careful in the future.
I am sorry I got angry. You did a good job finding it.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Way to make the correction. Good job.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Finally, the problem was solved.
See you tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.
Bye, Sarah. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Today has been a long and eventful day. I am sorry. I forgot my ID card at home. The papers are wet. This is so bad.
Please be careful. Those documents are important. Clean this up now.
I can't find it. I am sorry.
Way to make the correction. Good job.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Although it was difficult and sad, perhaps it's all over now. Let's go home.
Why is the house dark? Where is everyone? Hello? Is anyone home? What's going on?
Surprise!
Oh my goodness.
We cleaned the whole house for you. And Dad cooked your favorite dinner. Oh, you guys, thank you so much.
So, how was your first day?
Well, it was a crazy day. What happened? Tell us.
First, I forgot my ID. Then, I spilled coffee. And everyone thought I lost a document.
That is terrible, Mom. Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. We found the document. Everything is fine now.
Today was hard, but I learned a lot.
We are very proud of you. Cheers.
Everyone has bad days and makes mistakes. But if you have a loving family to come home to, everything will be all right.